In the grocery store. Aisle. Snacks are in aisle 4. Checkout. We should go to checkout now. On sale. The apples are on sale today. Organic. I prefer organic vegetables. Receipt. Keep the receipt for returns. Sample. They offered a free sample of cookies. Customer service. Ask customer service if you need help. Barcode. Scan the barcode at the checkout. Return. I want to return this item. Refund. I'd like a refund, please.
Let's talk. Look, these organic strawberries are on sale in aisle 3.
Great. Let's grab a box.
Wait, I want to try a sample first.
Let's scan the barcode to check the price.
Sure, then let's go to checkout.
Keep the receipt in case we want to return anything.
Good idea. Customer service can give a refund.
Let's go home and make dinner. I'm starving.